Hello. Good morning, and thank you for coming in today for this initial interview for the job at Google, which is cybersecurity engineer. This meeting will be recorded to document the interview process, and also congratulations for passing the initial applicant screening. So now you are in the initial interview stage. So, um, what's your name again?
My name is Erickson Brutas.
Mr. Erickson Brutas, can you tell me anything about yourself?
I am a recent BSIT graduate from TUP Taguig, and I've always been drawn to protecting systems and data from threats, which is why I focused on cybersecurity. And during my studies and outside of tech, I enjoy staying active, which helps me stay disciplined and focused. And I also find relaxation in cleaning, which clears my mind and recharges me. I've also attended hackathons, seminars, and workshops to expand my knowledge and work on real world tech problems. One of my favorite projects involves securing data and using encryption to prevent unauthorized access. I'm excited to bring my technical knowledge and passion for cybersecurity to your team.
So, Mr. Erickson Brutas, you said you have some experience in being an IT. What are the projects and accomplishments that you have done while being one?
So, as a graduate of this IT, I've gained hands on experience through both projects and internships, which helped me build a solid foundation in cybersecurity. One of my key projects was developing a payroll system that required securing sensitive employee data. I implemented encryption and access control measures to ensure data privacy. This taught me how vital cybersecurity is in protecting sensitive information. And additionally, I interned at the Department of Science and Technology, where I helped troubleshoot network vulnerabilities and ensure system security. This experience gave me a closer look at how cybersecurity teams collaborate on security initiatives and reinforced my interest in this skill. And uh, one accomplishment I'm proud of is securing the payroll system, which challenged me to balance security with functionality. This project this project taught me how to protect data while keeping systems running smoothly.
About that, what is it again? The payroll system. Can you tell me what programming language do you use?
I mainly used C++ with an HTML background used for the user graphics interface.
As a cybersecurity engineer here in Google, what can you offer to the company?
I decided to apply for this position because it's a great fit for my passion. I've always liked securing systems and protecting data. And I admire your team's proactive approach to cybersecurity and your focus on innovation. And with my background in cybersecurity, hands on projects, and my internship, I'm pretty confident I can help your team identify risks and protect systems. I'm committed to continuous learning, and I'm excited about contributing to your organization's security efforts.
I think that about concludes our interview. Thank you for sharing those wonderful experiences and experiences that you have said earlier. We'll text you back or call you in a few weeks if you got the job or not.
Thank you for giving me the chance to share my background and interests, and I'm excited about the possibility of joining your team. Good morning, and thank you for your punctuality for today's interview. Please be informed that this interview will be recorded for documentation reasons. And at this stage, I would like to congratulate you on successfully passing the initial applicant screening. So let's begin by having you state your name and confirm your position that you are applying for.
So uh I'm Alvin C. Benitez, and I'm applying for software engineer in Google.
So, Mr. Benitez, can you tell me about your background and perhaps any internships or events that you have attended?
So I'm Alvin C. Benitez, a proud graduate of Technological University of the Philippines from Taguig campus with a Bachelor of Science in Information Technology degree. And my hobbies are playing games, which you can connect to me having a good mental fortitude. And learning other programming languages in my free time is also one of my hobbies. As for internships, I've been in the OST in the chemical and energy divisions. While it may not help or may not be related to the job that I've been applying for, I've learned about how teamwork and a positive environment will help me in doing my job in a day-to-day basis. And as far as I've heard, Google has that.
Okay, so what aspects of this software engineer role at Google particularly interests you?
What interests me as in this role is I'm particularly drawn to it because of the opportunity to work with edge technology that Google has, and its innovative projects that the company is known for. And I am excited about the chance to collaborate with a talented team, great minds, and solve complex problems and develop solutions that have a meaningful impact to the society.
Okay, so could you walk us through some of the key projects you worked on during your studies, particularly those related to being a software engineer?
Some of the key projects that I've worked on during my studies are the payroll system. I've had it in a company which uh uh what it does is create pay slips for different employees in in a company, which saves their rate per hour, their overtime, and many others, and then saves them in a file to then be printed out as a uh, hard copy. And then a by data generator, which is used again for that payroll. And for game development, I've also used C++ for that. I've done different games using C++ is a programming language, and also a shopping app, which I've done for a small company. I've used their products as a basis, and they are now using it as a main interface for their website.
Okay. During your time at university, what is one technical skill you acquired or improved?
During my time at the university, I've improved that problem solving with the with even the use of AI. Especially even if there is a stigma around it, it helps us with problem solving in many ways. I can find different problems and solve them in a click of a button. And also, in the university, I've also acquired and improved my teamwork. As software development is not a one man thing. Also, my communication skills. I've learned that being a good to be a good speaker, you have to be a good listener. That's all.
So, in your application, what are you looking for in your next professional opportunity? And how does this role align with your career goals?
In my next professional opportunity, I am seeking a role that allows me to continue growing my skills in software engineering, which Google has, while contributing to impactful and innovative projects.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Benitez, for applying for this role. Please expect a notice in the following weeks regarding the next step in the process. We appreciate your time and interest in joining our team.
Thank you
You,
too,
Mr.
Mr.
Exxon
Exxon
Brutas,
Brutas,
and I
and I
hope
hope
I'll be
I'll be
hearing
hearing
from you
from
soon.
you.